Did you know Maniology came out with a new 3-piece stamping polish collection called the Moonbeams? Me either. The first one is Planet Silk. It shifts from pink to magenta to gold. Curious Matter goes from light to dark gold with green and orange. Expedition Pearl is blue to green with a hint of pink inside of them. So these are definitely polishes that you're going to want to use over black or darker colors. I don't think they're going to show up very well over white at all. I am a Maniology affiliate, by the way. You can use code JILLIE10 for 10% off of any order. I am just going to use one coat of straight up black on my nails as a base coat, and then of course I'm going to go through and top coat everything. Now these polishes honestly very much remind me of Retrograde out of the Mani by Me box this month. And one color, I mean, aside from the fact that well, the other one's a duochrome too. They're both duochromes. They just shift to a different color. One shifts from like a light blue to a dark blue, and one goes from like a blue to a pinky purpley color. I just grabbed this plate because I like the stripes that are on there. I thought they would be cute on short nails to show you these designs without me having to do a bunch of latex and all that mess. So this is the first one. This is Planet Silk. So as you can see, it comes out very pink. Now, if you're just looking for this pink color, Maniology has several shades similar to this. They just don't have duochrome in them. And you can see as I lift my finger back and forth, see there it shifts to kind of the gold color that's in it. So it does go back and forth between pink and gold. It's cute. It's cute. These are more expensive than the normal stamping polishes though. They are $9. This next one, Curious Matter, it says light to dark gold and then green and orange. I don't really see the green and orange in it. Like, I played around and shifted these for a while and I didn't see much of a shift on that one, which is odd because it's really pretty in the bottle, but there wasn't a lot of shift that I saw. On Expedition Pearl, this one is the one that goes from blue to green and a hint of pink. I see more of just like a blue to pink kind of shift in it. This one's pretty, but this is the one that's very similar to Retrograde. It's similar to Grimm's Nightfall. It just has the duochrome in it that goes to the pink. So if you like the duochrome and think that's something you definitely want, check it out. I know it's kind of hard to see on here, but they did actually stamp very well. The designs are clear. I don't know if the duochrome is just kind of throwing it off with my camera or what. I know it just looks kind of patchy or whatnot. It's not. It actually is showing the correct design. And these are the bottles next to each color. I'm going to try to get it to shift a little bit more for you, but I'm very curious what you think. Do you think you'll pick these up? Like, I don't know. If I had it to do over again, if I would buy these again, and I'm thinking probably not, honestly. It doesn't mean that they're bad. I just don't need them, really. But I've got them now, I guess. So let me know what you think. Let me know if you tried these and what you thought of them. I'm very interested, very, very interested. Do not forget, technically the 12 Days of Christmas starts Monday, but I also have a design for you tomorrow. So make sure you come back tomorrow and check it out. I'm very excited to get this going. I've already got some stuff filmed. I've got all your suggestions, so I'm super stoked to get started on it. Let me know what you think of this design. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to click on a video in the corners to check out something else. Have a great day. Bye-bye.